Okay, for today's test, we're going to do two tests, but a customer whose screen name was Cape Rover said that the group of tuna fishermen that he fishes with on the Cape have better experiences using the wrong sized crimp on fluorocarbon. So if you look at the Genkai website, an LI should go between 1 millimeter and 1.17 millimeter, and SG is 1.28 to 1.47. So if you look at the new Seagar, it's 1.17. So it really should not work with an SG crimp, but they're saying they're having good luck. So I promised them today that I would test it. So let's find out. SG is here, LI is here. Yeah, you can see the SG is sliding. Yep. The SG slid and became uncrimped. The crimp literally slid before the capacity broke at 98 pounds. And we know the Seagar Premier holds 103 to 106 pounds. So yeah, you really shouldn't be using an LI crimp unless you're using 130 or 130 to 150 pound test, and SG should be 180 pound test.